How to add shipping options in Wix Studio. To do that, what we can do is we can head over and scroll down and head over right here to settings. Once you have clicked onto your settings right here, it should be able to show you a lot of settings like shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. You need to click onto this one. And once you have done that, it will show up in here a new page. For this one, you can head over and create the region. As of right now, the only region we have is Philippines as well as international. To add another flipping option, you can click on this create region option. Then choose in here a region. For example, let's choose in here Australia. Let's name it like this. Click on this add destination and add in here the destination that you want. So for this destination, I will be choosing Australia as well. So let me just type it in, click on it. And then after that, you need to head over and then click on the discontinue option. Once we have done that, it will create a shipping profile for this region. Now in here, you can choose shipping and click on continue and add in here a rate for that. So just wait for this to load right there and then just choose the calculation of rate. It will be free shipping, flat rate, weight, by price, and by quantity. For this one, let's choose quantity and put in here the name at checkout. So for example, let's put in here shipping. And you can also put the estimated delivery time and as well as the quantity. For the one items, let's head over and then put right here a rate of around 1,000. And for the one item up, let's put around 2,000 for this one. Now for this, click on this add rate in order to apply it. So that's how you add shipping options in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.